To all and all present over here, and welcome to the live session of IPO's 5th National Conference on the theme COVID-19, the showcase of potential in Indian economy. It's a humble request to all the faculty members, research scholars and participants from various esteemed institutions present over here to kindly turn off your mic for the session. May I please request Dr. Vaibhav Lalekar sir to accompany our Group Director Sir, Dr. Amarjeet Singh Khalsa, on the stage to begin the inaugural session. On behalf of IPO family, I extend a very warm welcome to all the dignitaries, participants of the National Conference, attendees, guests from various esteemed institutions and faculty colleagues. Crisis brings opportunities. This would not be truer for the Indian economy in 2020-21. Even as the world grappled with the impact of COVID-19 pandemic, the Indian economy is working on new opportunities, learning, innovating and rising from disruptions to put the world behind and looking forward to the new year with optimism and a newfound confidence. IPO has been pioneer in delivering quality to all its stakeholders since past 25 years, and in this context, the 5th National Conference on COVID-19 Showcase of Potential in Indian Economy has been organized today. It is said that God's greatest gift to mankind is our intellect. Education lifts a people to greater ability and achievement. And today, through this national conference, it is our sincere effort that we all rise and attain new level of intellect together. And to help us achieve that, we are honored to have such intellectual dignitaries with us here to grace the inaugural session. We are privileged to have Dr. Subir Verma sir, Director, Institute of Management, Nirma University, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, as our chief guest of the inaugural session. Dear all, Dr. Subir Verma sir is a fellow of IIM Ahmedabad and professor in organizational behavior with more than 30 years of teaching experience. After completing his MA and MPhil from University of Delhi, Sir has completed his PhD from one of the most prestigious institute, IIM Ahmedabad. Over the past 3 decades, Dr. Subir Verma Sir has been associated with institutions like Delhi University, MDI Gurgaon, IIM Ranchi, IIM Indore, IMI Delhi, ESCP Paris, and Ford School of Management. Sir is also an AICTE nominee on the Board of Governors, Lal Bahadur Institute of Management, New Delhi, and have been Dean in IIM Ranchi and IMI Delhi, and was the chairperson of PGDM at MDI and Ford School and PGDM HRM at IMI. He has also chaired the profile of Corporate Relations and Placement at MDI Gurgaon and International Accreditation for MDI and Ford School. Sir have consulted reputed international and domestic MNCs on their organizational design, change management, and leadership development initiatives, and have designed and directed more than 70 programs on leadership development, team building, change management, HR analytics, coaching and mentoring, conflict management, and negotiation skills for senior and middle manager of most of Maharatna and Navratna PSUs, Nationalized Banks of India, RBI, Indian Postal Service, and Jharkhand Police, and also other 100 MNCs and private companies of India. Sir has authored 4 books and have presented his research findings in Academy of Management, European Group of Organizational Studies, International HRM, World Congress of Sociology, and Asian Pacific Researchers on Organization Studies. It's an absolute honor that Sir is our chief guest of IPO's 5th National Conference. And on behalf of IPO, I welcome you, sir. It's our pleasure to have with us today's guest of honor, Mr. Saurabh Sangla, sir, Chairman, CII Madhya Pradesh and Executive Director, Signet Group and Android Industries India Limited. Dear all, Mr. Saurabh Sangla is a 2nd generation entrepreneur and is the Executive Director at Signet Industries Limited and Android Industries Limited. He has completed his Bachelor's in Science in Industrial Engineering and Operations Research from University of California at Berkeley in 2002. Along with this, Sir is the world's fastest Six Sigma certified champion. Currently, apart from handling the responsibilities of being executive director of two giant industries, he is the chairman of CII Madhya Pradesh and has earlier also served as chairman at CII Malwa Zone Council and also held a position of convener for EODB panel for Madhya Pradesh state panel. Sir has more than 18 years of experience in torque transmission, auto components, polymer, plastic products and modern irrigation techniques, and holds keen interest in innovation, adapting new technology, as Sir believes in promoting young talent. He is a keen believer of challenging norms and promoting system automation as well. His innovative ideas have resulted in the development of a basket of over 3,500 torque transmission components and assemblies and over 1,500 products in the plastic industry. And under his able and visionary leadership, both the companies, that is Signet Group and Android Industries India Limited, have won several awards globally for leadership and quality. It's our absolute privilege and honor, sir, to have you here with us. And on behalf of IPER, I welcome you on IPER's 5th National Conference.